Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off phonetic alphabet in our speak keyboard input aloud function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now, when we go to our messages, our reader sounds like this.
A Alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie, D Delta.
As you can see, it's a bit messy. So how to turn off our phonetic alphabet if we don't need it, or if someone turned it on for us, or we did it by mistake. So settings, accessibility, spoken assistance, and at the top we have speak keyboard input aloud, and at the bottom is phonetic alphabet. When we turn it off, and now if we go to our messages,
C A T a cat. C A T cat.
It's now working as it was before. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.